Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix NBA Live Mobile stuck in the loading screen. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the settings on your phone or so basically guys, this is the settings. Go ahead and click on it. It might be different depending on which phone you have. I have a Samsung phone, so this is how it looks like. Scroll down until you find apps. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then we're going to be right here. Basically, guys, in this list, you're going to find all of the installed applications on your phone. So once you're here, just scroll down until you find NBA Live. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. So firstly, we have the notifications. So I'm allowing the notifications. Under its permissions, I give it only the notifications permission. Right here, you can check remove permissions if app is unused. Under it, there is set as default to open supported links. I'm enabling it. And right here, you're going to find mobile data, battery, and storage. So we're going to go to storage. Once you click on storage, right here in the bottom, you're going to find two options, clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and just go back. And as you can see, guys, now the cache is cleared. Once you do that, make sure you close the game and then launch it again and check if your problem is fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.